Hello everyone, in this instructional video, we will demonstrate the process of checking your balance on Instagram. Let's begin. To begin, kindly open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Ensure that you are successfully logged into your Instagram account. Subsequently, locate and tap on the profile icon situated in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Please verify that you are utilizing a business or professional Instagram account and that the professional dashboard is prominently displayed on your profile page. Proceed to locate the Activity and Settings menu, represented by 3 horizontal lines, in the top right-hand corner. Tap on it. On the subsequent page, identify and tap on Create a Tools and Controls. Now, select Add Payment at the top of the screen. Followed by tapping on Payment Method. You will be directed to the Payment Method page, where you will find your Instagram balance and other pertinent information. Thank you for your attention.